A very interesting story. One-eyed, two-eyed, three-eyed. Please like, subscribe, and share. Once there lived a wicked woman who had 3 daughters. Her eldest daughter had 1 eye. Middle daughter had 3 eyes, but younger daughter had 2 eyes as normal people had. But the women loved her elder and middle daughter only because they were clever. She did not like her younger daughter because she was innocent. Both the sister also had a bad and insulting behavior with their younger sister. They had made her a servant to maintain the household.
She usually didn't get enough food to fill herself. One day, as she was on the pond to wash the clothes, she prayed Allah Almighty to help her. Suddenly a beautiful fairy appeared. She gave a magic stick to her. The fairy also told how could this stick help her. As the girl was hungry, she ordered the stick to arrange a lunch table. And here it was. She ate till full and thanked Allah Almighty for this help. She had started eating outside daily. One day both her sisters chased her. They were surprised to see such a lavish dining table. They went back home and complained her mother. Her mother was very angry. She snatched her stick and broke it into 2 pieces. The innocent girl was very sad. Next day the fairy came again. She gave some seeds to the girl to sow in the soil. The girl did the same. Next day there was a strong tree full of golden apples. Both the sisters and her mother tried to pick the apples, but all in vain. They could not get even a single apple. At the same time, a prince passes by there. He was also surprised to see the tree. He asked the girls to give him some apples. 3 of them tried their best, but could not succeed. The innocent girl came forward, and the branches of tree bowed down, and she picked up the apples easily and presented them to the prince. The prince was very much impressed by the innocent girl. He proposed her and took her with him after marriage. 3 of the ladies had no one now to serve them.